Hello friends, in today's example, I am going to demonstrate views and layouts. Views and layouts is an advanced concept, but I'll just give an introduction here so that whenever we are discussing templates, you will have a brief idea of what view is. I'll choose a demonstration example. You will see various tabs over here. I am loading 101 example. On the screen, what you're seeing is part of the drawing. We will say this is one view. Suppose from this drop down combo box, I choose plan. You will see another geometry. Suppose I choose cross section, I'll see another. Please note, even if I zoom out, there is only one view here. In short, my drawing will be broken up into various views. If I want to see all the views, I'll go to drawings and I'll say draw all views. So here you will see that I'm having a frame. This is the L section, plan, and so on. In short, in my model space, I'm having multiple views, but normally I will work one at a time. Suppose I choose section, I will see only one view. I hope you have understood the concept. View is nothing but part of the drawing. For demonstration purpose, I will add one more view. Suppose I say I'll have to give some number 111. I'll name my view as test view and I'll say save. So you will see we have added one more view to the list. I close this form. In the drop down list, you will see this test view has been added. Suppose I click here, you will not see any entity or any geometry on the screen because we have not defined anything in this view. For demonstration purpose, I'll just add a circle. Now note, every view will have its own template. So for this, in template, I will add a group. I will say circle group, add. So here we have added one group for circle. I will add a simple circle over here. Choose the group. I will say center radius. I will name the circle as C1. Center point I'll say is my reference point and the radius is equal to 3. I will say add. So you will see a circle over here. In this view, there is one circle. If I draw all the views now, I go to drawings and I say draw all views. You will see the circle is located at 0, 0. This is because when we declared the view, we have not given the insertion point. You will see here it is 0, 0. Suppose I give the value as 630. Please note this is the shift I am going to give to the view and I say save. I go back and again I will say drawings, draw all views. Now you will see the circle has gone to this location. In short, the view is shifted as per the insertion point. Views and layouts go hand in hand. Here, I will introduce the concept of layouts. You will see here we have only one layout, BC restricted cushion. Here also you will see that you are having the same layout. If you don't see this paper space tab over here, please turn on the layouts. Suppose I turn off and I draw the drawings, draw all views. You will see there is no layout over here. So turn on the layouts before going to draw all views. For demonstration purpose, I will add one more layout. Suppose I say test layout. So this is another layout that I have added. I will not go deep into the viewport part, but just for demonstration, I will drag and drop the frame over here. Similarly, I will drag and drop the section. So I have added two views to this layout. I close it. Now you will see this is not yet generated. I will regenerate it. I'll say draw all views. Now in addition, you will say another paper space test layout, and in this you are seeing the frame and the L section. So in short, I'll repeat. In your project, you can have multiple views. I can have any number of views. Every view will have an insertion point. For demonstration purpose, again, I will make a shift horizontally also. I'll say 50. I'll say save. And I will draw all the views. Now you will see the circle has slightly shifted in the X direction also. So this was a basic introduction about views, layouts. At a later stage, I will also introduce the concept of viewports. In the next video, I'm going to start with template definition in detail. As we discuss template definition, everywhere you will see the template is always part of a view. So for your better understanding, I have given you a basic idea about views. Thank you very much.